Welcome back. In the last part, we have seen that uh, in the FAT, first we have identified the package lists, members, then we came in the yard and we have verified the packages and we have selected some samples as per the ITP. Also in the yard we have verified galvanization thicknesses. Now those samples are brought near the lab or at some location where we can measure, we can do the dimensional check, verification and those things. Here there is a thread, so we are doing this. So we have to do the dimensional verification and cutting, notching, all those things we have to verify properly. The total here galvanization verification is also going on with alcometer.
सात नंबर 160 156 158
The process is
165
first we should mark the center line of the bolt holes
184
to verify the distance from bolt to bolt,
164
back mark, all those things. Measuring the bolt to bolt distance and back mark is a little bit tricky because the tolerances are in millimeters
199
and we have to
203
identify the centers. So process is actually to mark the centers and center lines with pencil first and then come and verify the distances. We have the shop drawing. With the help of shop drawing, whatever is there in written in the shop drawing, we are verifying all those. Here the full length of the member is being measured.
अभी सेंटर
एक मिनट हाँ चलो आप सेंटर पे रख के रीडिंग बताओ
Is identify where the same because they have not marked it
ओके ठीक है नेक्स्ट
before we came here for measurement. Normally
नंबर बताओ
the quality people, the lab people, they are marking all those things. But in this case, they missed to do that. So we are doing it manually and it is taking.
उससे ज़्यादा जल्दी हम लोग का ये पैटर्न बन गया है बॉडी 330 ठीक है
So this is bolt to bolt.
बोल्ट टू 64 ठीक लगा भी राइट एंगल
Also, you can see here some marks are there 1, 2, 3, all those. Basically, they identified proper location from where they can cut some samples. Like the sample 2, where 2 is marked, you can see that is for galvanization
65
measurement pre-test, and the one that looks like that sample they will take for tensile strength. So this is how we are verifying all the members. We will see next.
102
Similarly, we will take measurements of bolts, nuts, washers, spring washer, plain washer, all that.
First we take the head head thickness, head with a corner head with flat and the total length and this thread length. Then knot thickness and knot the flat surface and corner. That is the dimension for bolts. Then we take the dimension of spring washer, plain washer and back washer. That's it.
okay
This is the dimension of bolts and nuts.
so how much should be the thread length
Thread length is this is 26 to per 16 mm, 26 to 28.
How this thread length is being decided? You have any idea?
That is depend upon the thickness of the member plus the nut, nut thickness.
So this is written in the drawing, right?
Yes,
How
yes.
much should be the thread length? How much should be the total length
Yes,
of
sir.
bolt?
Yes, sir.
So we have to make sure all these are meeting, correct?
Mating, yes.
Okay. So now you will take these measurements. How you did this sampling? How many samples? Lots of samples are there.
Yeah, because we are according to our ITB,
Hmm.
that is depend upon the quantity of the bolts nuts.
Hmm.
So if the quantity is more than 35,000, we will take the 50 samples for lot wise. Means 16 mm and 20 mm mix. We will take 50 samples
For
was
35,000 pieces.
pieces. Above 35,000 pieces,
Hmm.
we will take 50 samples.
Hmm.
So we are at 45,000 and above. So we will take 50 pieces for each and every for every sections.
For every test you need 50 piece,
Pieces.
right?
Yes.
So there are mechanical test and chemical test and different tests are there.
Yes.
So each test will be done on 50 samples. Now there are some tests which could be means 2 or 3 tests could be done on one sample.
One sample.
There are some tests,
Yes.
but there are some tests that you cannot do on same piece. You have to take another piece,
Another
correct?
piece, yes, sir.
So accordingly, you are
taken
counting
some
all
extra
these
Some extra samples.
extra. So it will not be only 50.
Even
It
from
will be much
here-
more than that.
Even here, from here, we can randomly choose.
Correct.
So for dimension, it is randomly. So we will take every and each one pieces for the dimension. And so 16,
choose like
16, 20,
random,
16,
random.
45, 16, 50.
Hmm.
Which is the length. On the basis of length, we will take one sample for dimension. As the dimension is randomly checked.
Okay. After dimensioning, what you will do?
After dimension, we will do the tensile test. That is means a wedge load test, shear test, and the proof load test of the threads.
So after dimensioning or
After
dimension check, what you
we
will do?
check the zinc coating thickness by alcometer.
Huh.
Then after we will do the for galvanizing inspection. First we take the alcometer test. Then we take the samples for hammer test, that is adhesion test, which is proof as the adhesion of the iron and the zinc is okay. The adhesion of zinc and iron is perfect. So it should not be peel up when we will test. Then after we will go for copper summit set, means uniformity coating. If this is zinc, all are zinc coated. If there is some lack of zinc, then there is the copper deposit when we test, put it into the copper sulfate solution. Because copper sulfate solution and the iron is react and the copper is deposited on the iron. If there is no zinc, means zinc is separate the copper sulfate solution and the iron. So there is no deposition of the copper.
Correct.
If there is no zinc, means that is naked steel. So at that place the copper is deposited. So the
Okay. So now we will start this dimension check.
dimension
Okay.
16
Please.
to 14, 24. So we take the reading 23.90.
Okay.
Then across the cross, it is required 26.17 minimum. We got 27.33. And thickness is required 925 to 1075. We get 996. Then the diameter is required 15.3 to 16.7. We got 15.88. Then total length 40 mm. Then we get 14.18.
14 or 40?
40.
Hmm.
And the thread length is 26 to 28. We get 27.86. Then the bolt knot across the flat required 23.6 to 24. We get 23.69. Then across the corner we get 26.17 is the minimum requirement. We get 26.88. And thickness required is 14.10 to 15.9 We get 14.81.
Okay. Thank you. So this is all for this dimensional check, and after that we will go for continue the fat for different tests in next parts.